Hello, new school Beyblade here, and today I'll be doing an unboxing of Beyblade X BX GustBat 385 gear point. So yeah, finally got this guy in today. Okay. Really happy to get this Hasbro exclusive. Even though it's a retool bay, it's still actually really nice. Another really solid layer for this. Let's get this. Ooh, that's actually really cool. There's the QR code, a bat, hold up, okay, got it. Here's the 385. Gear point. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this, and goodbye.